Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set fire settings on the PUBG application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen next to the map. Then tap on the controls section in the left side column of the screen below the settings title. After that, tap on basic controls at the top of the screen on the left side. Here the first category is fire settings, so you can set the display left side fire button feature, so you can enable it so it will be always turned on. You can enable the scope on feature or disable it. Then below you can set the shotgun firing mode, which is either tap or release, and you can set the bolt action rifle crossbow firing mode. Tap on the relevant ones and then the fire settings will be done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.